EB410, four-wheel drive A-main. I did make the A-mains with the setup.
Dimitri's out there.
Let's try this.
But I don't got it coming up. Are you a hand counter, Dimitri?
Pardon? No. No.
It should count? Okay, well, let's see. Maybe this will be your first lap. I don't know.
No.
Luke was acting up on Sunday, too.
Dimitri's in.
Left or right?
Okay, marshals, please, from the last race. The order, okay, still waiting on Jack Nesbitt and John Kennedy to check in.
I just drove by and I got no register.
I didn't see it. It still says no.
Straightaway closed?
Now you're in.
Well, I just went by it and it didn't.
Still waiting on Brian Nesbitt.
See, it didn't count that time.
No. Brian Nesbitt didn't count. And neither did you. I'm going to have to play with this thing a little bit. Patrick, are you able to marshal, please?
Sorry,
four-wheel drive A-main.
Brian, Dimitri, Sean, John, and Jack are bump off.
We're good with marshals.
What's that?
We're good with marshals.
We're good with marshals. I love that. Okay. Gentlemen, less than 5. Whoa. Clean up the hill. Let's go. Clean it up. Not bad. Everybody. Okay. Good man. That guy, Patrick. Sorry, I missed what happened with Noah there. What's up? Go now, Noah. Brian, Jack, Sean, Dimitri, and John.
Crap.
Everybody in now. Everybody. We got Noah up front, followed by Brian and their bump up Jack. Brian, and Sean. 1, 2, 3, 4 across the line.
4 minutes left.
Bringing up the rear.
I didn't hear John.
No.
Oh, we got Noah in the spa. Good man, Patrick. Woo! Go now, Noah.
Can't seem to stop.
Still got Noah out front. Brian is keeping him honest right behind him. Sean has got ahead of Jack for third, but he was not letting him go. The Dimitri's chipping away at this, followed by John with the tail.
John, Jack,
Man.
Oh, that a guy. Again. Put him over again. Oh, he made it himself. All right. Top of the hill. Thank you, sir. Dimitri loses the spot to John.
3
John will
minutes
take it
left.
every day of the week. Thank you, he says. Coming up the hill, we got Noah starting to make some moves. Brian is still coming up with second. Sean is hunting him down, and Jack is still in the looking for his spot. Gotta say, Jack's going to improve his foot. Oh, Sean cuts it short. Yeah, grab him, Ken. Throw him over, buddy. Thank you. Jack. All right, Noah's starting to put some
that was
space
close.
between himself in second place. Brian's been holding second pretty steadily. He's got Jack on his tail now. And Sean is coming back for more. He's not going to let that happen that easily. He wants a little piece of Jack, so here he comes and gets it, he says.
That puts me back in last again.
So Nesbitt there, clean and quick.
2 minutes left.
Don't make many mistakes. Oh, a little tumble down the downward dog, and Dimitri picks up 4th spot. Second place across the line. 3rd place across the line. We got a little battle here with Dimitri and Sean. I like it. Oh, Sean's grabbing his tail. We got Noah getting ready to lap John. Oh, and John takes a little tumble down the downward dog. Let's Noah catch up. That is your leader, John. Thank you for going wide, sir. Beautiful. There's Dimitri, fourth. Jack takes a tumble. Leading the extra nice Marshall. Oh, yeah. Sean, that first place.
1 minute left.
Thank you.
Jesus, Noah lapped
Going
everyone.
down the downward dog. Noah's just finishing up the straightaway. That's how far you got. Jack's entering the downward dog. Dimitri's entering it in fourth. And Noah's going to lap some more here if he keeps her going. We got 39 seconds left, gentlemen. Oh, second place takes a tumble. That helps out Jack a little bit. You got 20 seconds, Jack, if you're going to catch him. Second place, crossing the finish line. Here comes third. Look, Nesbitt, look out. Woo! Two front tires down the downward dog, Brian.
Car 4 is done.
Sean is done.
Car 5 is
Sean
done.
I think that's the
Everyone
last
else,
place for me.
continue.
I think that was the last. Yikes. Not good.
Oh, little tumble.
You really got to get used to that heavier center
Car 2
dip.
is done.
It's really easy to get the car
Car
upset.
6 is done.
Noah, finish it off.
You got to be
Car one
like
is
super
done.
light touch on the throttle, or else it'll get real sideways on you.
In that bump up position.
Four-wheel drive A-main.
9 for you, Dimitri.
Sorry, say that again.
9.
9.
I'm
One more up.
Dimitri, you're right
One
behind
more up.
Brian.
On the raft. Yeah, there you go.
Marshall.
So guys, try not to
waiting.
pass before the finish line. After that, you're good to go.
Less than 5 on the tone. Keep
Good
it
luck.
clean. And we're off. Noah's through, Dara's through, Sean's through, everyone's through. Good start, guys. Everyone checked in. Please try to keep track of your position because I'm very bad at
Oh, great. I have no idea. Third now, right now.
Seems like everyone's checking in. Oh, we got a little flip by Dimitri. That puts him near the back of the pack. Yes, it does.
Running away with it.
There is way out in front. We got our bump up Jack in third
4
place
minutes
right now.
left.
Just half a section off our usual winner, Noah. Dara is putting the pedal to the metal, saying, no, I'm not letting that Noah kid win today. Jack's keeping Noah on. It's only one section behind after getting the bump up from the B. Better than I could have done. We got Noah and Dara right together. Close battle.
Unbelievable.
Oh, Dara takes the outside. Noah's on the inside. Going for the pass. Noah gets the pass. Noah is in the lead now. Dara's like, get back here. That is my position.
Just to be clear, we're not canceling the race because
3
it's
minutes
raining. If
left.
you pull off, it's you're being a wussy. Just to be clear.
Oh, both of them crash. Noah's out front. Dara misses the hump, taking the corner wide, giving Noah a bit more space. Both of them go a little wide in the carrot. They're on the straight. Up the hill to the finish line. Both of them cross clean. Both of them count.
Jack, just keep driving smooth, baby.
Jack, if you keep it clean and they keep crashing, you might catch up. Oh, no. Dara hits the rut and puts his nose into the corner.
Giving Noah a big lead, entire section ahead now. Knowing Dara, he can close that gap though. Knowing Noah, he won't crash.
Whoa.
2 minutes left.
Jack is right there keeping Dara on us too. Dimitri right on Jack's tail. Current fastest lap is a 21.7 posted by Dara. Also, Dara, you missed a lap. I'll give you an extra one. There we go. Noah just upgraded that fastest lap. 21.2.
Well, fuck, man, what? That's what happened. I'm trying to get myself marshal. What's the running order?
Running order right now is Noah, Dara, Jack, Sean, Dimitri, John, and
1
Brian.
minute left.
I'm not sure how accurate that is because
What? Are you
just
really in
Brian's
last?
on 7 laps.
No, that doesn't sound right.
Brian's behind me.
Brian is ahead of Sean.
No, he's not ahead. He's 2 spots behind me.
There, I gave Brian 2 laps. It looks around right now.
I'll take 2 laps.
Dimitri's ahead of you. Yeah.
Just keep track of your positioning because
Well, that's
this
impossible.
thing's probably not accurate. Looks like Jack's closing that gap on Dara. Might get that second spot after getting the bump up. Whoa, John takes a violent flip and he's
Car
probably
6
cut
is
off.
done.
Yes, he gets cut off.
Really?
Nice job, Jack.
Great job, Jack.
Car 7 is done. Car
Jack
2 is done.
Dara's done.
Nice job, Jack. You got second on it.
Car 3 is done. Car 5 is done.
Dimitri's done.
Good job, Jack.
Congrats. Yeah, good job.
Car 1 is done. Car 4 is done.
Everyone's done. So Noah takes that one. His race time was accurate. 15.521.
I don't know. The computer's going to say I'm in last, but no, Brian was in. Oh, I was in 5th. But the computer says Jack is in 6th, and Jack got 2nd. So I don't know. Computer's way off. But
He was in 3rd.
yeah. Anyway. All right, guys, and here's the EB410. I'm not necessarily happy with the setup changes that I've made. I did have to change my wheels, so I did get some tires that have a bit more grip. These are double Ds again. They just have more tire tread, and it helped a little bit. But overall, that 30K in the center is a little bit difficult. The car will get sideways on you and be a little bit harder to recover. But other than that, it was slightly faster. The competition was a lot today. So I didn't do too hot in my 4-wheel drive class, but what can you do? Anyway, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. As for the race footage, let me know if you enjoyed this 4K wide shot or if you prefer the 2.7K linear. All right, guys, leave a comment down below and let me know what you like the look of better.